Hello everyone, my name is Ian Lamont. I'm the author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Google Search for news items. And this is a pretty interesting feature if you're researching a topic and you want to find out more how to really narrow down your search. Because the problem with Google for many people is that it just shows you too much stuff. All right, so here we are in google.com. I don't know why today it has a running Canadian, but it just does. So let's say that I'm interested in learning more about the Red Sox, specifically some recent news. Now, when I search for Red Sox, right away it knows that I'm talking about the Boston Red Sox. It's probably because I live in the Boston area. I've searched for the Red Sox before. So it's going straight to the Boston Red Sox as opposed to the Pawtucket Red Sox or Red Sox in some other consideration. But let's say I want to just focus on the news. It's showing me the results here. It's also showing me the official Red Sox team page on MLB.com. But what about news items? And you'll notice at the top of Google results, and this is regardless if you're using a Mac or a PC or any browser, this will always be the same. You'll see these tabs up here. Click on News, and you'll see the most recent stories about the Red Sox, including something on Forbes, something on Boston.com or the Boston Globe, maybe the Houston newspaper, or these are blogs over the Monster. So it'll show you lots of results about that. So let's say that I want to narrow the results a bit further because there's 18 million results just in the news alone. Let's say I'm researching the historical Red Sox and the curse. And the curse, as you may or may not know, for I think about 80 years or so, the Red Sox didn't win any World Series championship, and a lot of people said that there was a curse on the Red Sox. So let's say I'm researching that particular item. So interestingly, it shows nearly 32,000 results. The top result is a Wikipedia page. It's referring to the curse. Technically, that's not news, though. But it's also showing some articles, including some that are from more than a month ago, that mention the Red Sox curse, or they mention the Red Sox and curse in some other connotation. We don't know that, but actually I think it is referring to the same one. So that's useful, but these are all relatively recent. Like on the first page, it's all from 2018. What if I wanted to restrict the results even more? So what I could start to do is I could start to type in more words that narrow down the results. But actually, Google News has a pretty helpful feature when you're searching news results in tools. So there's a couple different options that pop up here. Sort by relevance. The other way you can do it is sort it by date. So this will be strictly by date from the most recent to the older ones. But you can see there's 31,000 results. I'd be paging through this for a long time if I wanted to get to the older results. Let's say that I really do want to look at just the older results that might be in the news archive. And there's another way to do that. So let's go back to sort by relevance. Click Tools again. All news, you have two choices. All news, that means newspapers, TV stations, including Wikipedia, and then blogs. So these are blogs on various sources. Maybe some are associated with news organizations, some are independent blogs. But let's say that I also wanted to really restrict it to a certain time period. Now, under Tools, it'll show Recent. Click on the little triangle, and then you can even restrict it even more. So like just the past month, that'll show a smaller subset. But still, it's showing the new stuff first. What if I wanted to really look at the oldest news sources? What I could do, well, you could check out archives for one, and that will show you some results going back to 2013, 2017. All right, that's pretty good. But what about even older than that? I want to go back to the 1990s. So click on archives again, or it might say recent or something else, and check and select custom range. Custom date range means you can select the exact period you want it to appear in. So if you know, for instance, if you knew it was something like 2 weeks ago, you could select, click on the calendar for May the 13th, and then click on the calendar for May the 19th. So this would just show me the results from that particular week. But you can also do it to even older than that. That's what I want to do. And you don't need to type in the full date. So I'm just going to do search from 1990 to 1999. This will show me the results in Google News from that decade. And here we go. There's only one story that's that old about the Red Sox curse. It's on CBS News, but you can see it's from October 15th, 1999. And depending on the topic, you might see more than one result. You might see, dozens or even hundreds if it's a pretty well-known topic, and it's included in the Google News archive. For more information on how to get the most out of Google Drive and Google Docs, including Google Drive search and Google Docs search, check out my book, Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. It's available from in30minutes.com, and thank you so much for watching.